All right, just finished my ride. Time for my protein shake. Packed it up earlier. This is our complete plant-based protein. My favorite, my go-to. The whey protein is also awesome. I've just been so used to taking my vanilla plant-based protein. I absolutely love it. So pour that in there. Got my water in here already. These shaker cups are awesome, by the way, too. These are available on the website if you want to buy them. But
they have 2 compartments, right?
yes, they come with 2 cups. I'm just using one right now. Shake that up. Mix is really good. Delicious vanilla flavor. It's got all the aminos. This is an awesome recovery drink because it refills your muscles, gives you the aminos that you burned off. Tastes so good. Love it.